What a mess I left last night. Welcome back to another video on this bike. I'd like to try to get rid of, well, I already did. So I got rid of this. That's my old weight bracket. Got rid of the old dovetail on the fender. I like it. Don't mind it. Here, I'm probably gonna have to repaint it. And I don't know what I did with that piece that we cut off. But if you've been watching, you know, here it is. I'll show you anyways. Right here, cut this off. This freaking thing stuck out just so far, you know. And I hated it. It just didn't look good. It looked terrible. What I'm doing now is I'm not sure what I'm gonna do here yet. I'm definitely putting my license plate under there. I don't know if I'm gonna run just a license plate light or if I'm going to. I had a light that I was gonna see if I could make it work, but I might just run a turn signal light because these are taillight turn signals and they are super bright. They're awesome. So watch what brand of taillights you get off, or yeah, taillights and turn signals that you get off eBay and Amazon. You can get ones very similar to these, which I did get these off eBay, I believe. But you got to look for the right ones because you can buy these really cheap. My buddy bought a set, but when you're going down the road, you can barely see them. So I paid probably $60 for these ones. I think they're a good one. They're really bright. And we're going to throw something together here for the tail light, license plate light. I can't get out. It's stuck. There we go. I had a license plate light. Well, I had a tail light, license plate light. Let's go back here, walk through the swamp. Welcome to my mess. We're going to see if we can find that tail light. And I'm not sure. Well, if I find it, I'll come back to you guys and I'll show you. It's kind of frustrating. I don't know where we're at now. I was filming and I filmed all kinds of stuff and then I did it. The whole time my mic wasn't on. So that sucked. Sorry about that, but anyways, here we are. I made this bracket here. I'm gonna tack some bolts on there. If you want to watch me do that. I don't know. Whatever you want to do. Whatever you want to do. Yes, I'm wearing home tack bolts because I want to know where I'm tacking specifically. There. Nice. Oh no. Ooh, toast. Ah. And Steve? Oh, no. Yeah. Oh, that kind of didn't pan out. Yeah. So yeah. I don't think we're screwed now. All figured out. So I give up. I tried to film. Long story. There's my license plate bracket. Everything's fully welded on there. Got my tail light. I got to hook up. It's got the built-in license plate light. Yeah, take this. Don't let me forget to take this plate off. That is off the Rebel. I didn't want to mess up my plate, so I just threw that one on there. And this is it. Finished product. She looks good if you ask me. I'm gonna wait to mount these. I want to mount them hopefully right here. Hoping. Depends on where my new saddlebags fall. And then I'm still waiting on the windshield. And the sissy bar, we'll probably figure out later on. We're going to have to retake this fender off, wire it up after we figure out where the saddlebags sit, mark up where the turn signals are going. Then we'll pull everything back apart, get everything squared away for the turn signals, and then get all the wiring ran, soldered, hooked up. And then we can put the fender back on, plug the harness into the main harness, and make sure all the lights work. Put the bags on, put the windshield on. I also have a thing for the gas tank coming, you'll see it. I'm not a huge fan of what I got, but I was looking for something that kind of like follows the, I don't know. So I found something. We'll see how it looks on there. But I will come back when I get all the stuff and we will do another video on finishing this up and seeing how it looks. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you can like my videos and subscribe to the channel. Leave comments, leave hate comments. I don't care. Not trying to please anyone. I'm just doing what I do. And you're watching. So that's pretty cool. Anyways, I'm going to get in the house, make some coffee, hang out with my wife, and dream up my next little adventure with this bike. Hopefully in a couple days when I get the Amazon packages in the mail. All right, well, I'll see you guys, and you guys have a good one.